Welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are doing well. Our recipe today is eggplant, a simple and satisfying dish. This is an eggplant meal prepared in a way that you will enjoy. I hope today's recipe will please you. I have 2 medium eggplants. They should not be large, or if one is large, just use one. Now we cut them lengthwise. You can peel them if you want, but the skin helps keep them firm. Then cut them into cubes and continue the process. Add some salt to the eggplant. Mix and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows it to release excess water. Take a medium onion, not too big and not too small. Cut it into cubes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 cloves of garlic and the chopped onion. Saute for about 4 minutes. After 15 minutes, the eggplant releases dark water. Rinse it to remove the salt. Wash off excess salt and dry it well. Remove as much water as possible. Add the eggplant to the sautéed onion and garlic. Cook together for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it should look like this. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of basil or use marjoram or mint. Mint also works very well in this recipe. It gives a similar flavor. Mix well and turn off the heat. The eggplant is cooked and has absorbed the flavors. Turn off the heat and move to the next step. Transfer it into a bowl. Add a small handful of parsley. Add 100 to 120 grams of salted biscuits. They should not be sweet and can be replaced with bread. Use thin bread instead of biscuits. Make sure it is not thick or coarse. Add salt and pepper. Do not add too much because the cheese is salty, especially the red cheese. Add 2 eggs. Mix everything well. Add 250 milliliters of milk. Mix again. Add about 100 grams of cheddar or red cheese. Adjust the quantity according to your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Grease a baking dish with oil. Cover the sides and bottom well. This eggplant recipe turns out very delicious. Add toasted ground bread to the sides. Pour the mixture into the baking dish. Spread it evenly. Bake at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Then check the final result. The eggplant is cooked and ready. Decorate with a little parsley. This step is optional. Cut it to show the inside. Start slicing. Place it on a plate and show the inside. It looks great and tastes even better. Try it and share your feedback. Like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more recipes